Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best synchronous belts for precision and durability. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. T2.5 Timing Belts, 10 PCS, High Precision T2.5 Timing Belts with a width of 6 mm, available in perimeters of 500, 512.5, 580, 600, and 625 mm. These belts ensure accurate synchronization for various mechanical applications. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. HTD14M Synchronous Belts, durable HTD14M synchronous belts with widths of 25 mm, 29 mm, and 30 mm, in length C equals 2128, 2156, 2184, 2198, and 2240 mm. These belts offer reliable performance for heavy-duty industrial use. 10M HTD5M Timing Belt. This 10-meter HTD5M timing belt features widths of 9, 15, 20, and 25 mm with a 5 mm arc tooth pitch. Suitable for CNC and 3D engraving machines, it provides precise movement and synchronization for intricate tasks. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. POWGE HTD14M Synchronous Belts. POWGE HTD14M Synchronous Belts available in lengths of 1806, 1820, 1834, 1848, 1862, and 1890 mm, with widths ranging from 20 to 50 mm. These belts are designed for high-load industrial applications, ensuring smooth and efficient power transmission. At number 1. POWGE HTD and STD Timing Belts. POWGE offers a variety of timing belts including HTD 3M, 5M, 8M, 14M, 20M, and STDS 3M, S5M, S8M, S14M, RPPP 5M. These customizable rubber synchronous belts and pulleys cater to diverse mechanical and industrial needs, providing flexibility and precision.